Hello, today's topic? At the car repair shop.
Welcome to our car repair shop.
Hi there. My car's been acting strange lately.
Oh, that doesn't sound good. What's been happening?
Well, sometimes it's making a weird grinding noise.
Sounds like it could be a transmission issue.
I'm not exactly sure. It's also been vibrating a lot.
That could indicate a problem with the tires or suspension.
That makes sense. I'm not very knowledgeable about cars.
No worries, that's what we're here for. Let's do a diagnostic.
Thank you for your help. I hope it's nothing too serious.
We'll find out soon enough. Okay, let's take a look under the hood.
Wow, there's a lot of stuff in there I don't understand.
It can be overwhelming, but don't worry, I'll explain everything.
I appreciate that. What do you think the problem could be?
Well, it looks like your transmission fluid is low.
Is that a major issue? Can it be fixed easily?
It's not ideal, but it's something we can definitely take care of.
That's a relief to hear. What's the next step then?
We'll top up the transmission fluid and inspect the tires and suspension.
How long will that take?
It'll probably take about an hour or so to complete.
All right, I'll wait in the customer lounge. Thank you.
No problem at all. We'll get your car running smoothly again.
Vocabulary.
Car. Repair. Strange. Grinding. Noise. Transmission. Issue. Vibrating. Tire. Suspension. Diagnostic. Understand. Explain. Problem. Fluid. Major. Fixed. Inspect. Customer. Lounge.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.